Dear Arkansas daughter,
Lucy Ray Baird.
you with the dark curls, you with the watercolor eyes, you who bears all your teeth in every smile, says I can always hear you sing, I wanna hear you speak to me, while a stranger braids my hair back out on the street. And in your dreams we are shooting at snakes. And while you were asleep I was surely awake. I was talking at a cigarette with nothing left to say, but he should have been there anyway. Pride didn't sing a single song all day. As my love for you dies, as my love for you dies, as my love
said he was glad that I survived you.
dying, as sharp and serious as a pistol in the eye.
Whatever it is you're doing, you need to stop it. It's the gun.
The one you fired at Mayfair.
Come on. No more of this. Look at me.
Besides me.
Besides you.
My heart is full of swords, full of swords.
How's the arm, Private? The medic said you took quite a bite.
Your love, it knows the Lord.
Nothing that I won't have forgotten about by the time I reach 2.
Tie my hands and I knock my knees as I kneel down in the sea.
Come on, boys.
To the ocean floor I will sink like a steel chest full of weapons.
Snow lands on top.
And on the spine of the tide you will rise like a red ripe apple.
I wouldn't sing a note for you if I was her.
Take a swim in the dirty water.
I think Katniss is a much nicer ring, don't you? What if this is our life, Cornelius? Out here, waking up whenever, catching our own food, living out by a lake. I mean, would you still feel a need for the capital even then? Did you just pick this?
Yep.
Thank you. It's a little early yet, Maud Ivory.
Early for what?
To eat the roots. I'm just gonna go dig up some Katniss. There's a good patch down by the lake.
Thought it was too early for that.
The world changes awful fast.
Lucy Gray. It's still raining.
Well, I'm not made out of sugar. I want to be like your father.
What do you think?
In his eyes, it was just a hint.
I think you look just like your father, Coriolanus.
It's worth the risk to do the right thing.
The guards say you get money if you get more people to watch, and you say you want to help me.
Who will watch the games if there's no victor?
Which is it?